So the next thing I'm going to show is once we have created the network diagram, yeah, let's say this was the network diagram we created, yeah, correct, which is located in here. Now this is the actual network. If you look here, this is the actual network, yeah. This is the road or the edge file that we created it from, and this is the junction file that shows up as a dot and it asks you to add, yeah. So at this point I only want to keep this file in table of contents, but I keep it unchecked such that it does not add a lot of processing power just to display it. Now also I just want to see the Monterey County area. Now see, the Monterey County is only this much, but I took one county on the top and one to the side, just so that there is a good connectivity, because if the roads were to end immediately here, then it will defeat our purpose for the next one. Now what I want to show you is, let's say the respondent US addresses, you remember? So most of the respondents are from these three counties, yeah. Now let's say coincidence, I have, these are all my depots, let's say the potential locations. I have a problem, or where I'm trying to decide that these are all the potential locations where I can open up my business for, let's say, linens, yeah, or a supply shop for a produce. So let's say I'm going to say that these are my potential locations. So let me export this with a different file such that I keep a backup. So I'm going to keep this in let's say within outputs. I'm going to create a new folder and see example 1, and within example 1 I will say these are my candidate locations, yeah. Yes, and now I will uncheck the other one. Okay, so let's say I say these are my potential locations. Now I want these locations to be chosen such that, because I'm thinking about a business wherein, okay, folder connection, C drive, hold on, where's the G Fabric, California, and Poise free, and of this file. Now this is just a sample file, so you don't have to worry about this, and I'm going to go to definition query, and just so you know, this is how the data structure behind this looks like, yeah. So out of all this I'm going to get in some hospitals and hotels. So definition query F class equals to hospitals, or F class equals to hotel. Verify. Okay. So out of bunch of thousands of points, now it is showing me only the hospitals and the hotels. Okay, now once I'm satisfied with this, this is where I'm going to say create the data frame, and within the example 1 I'm going to say hotels, hospitals. Hit yes, and I'm going to leave my original data alone. So okay, now except these 2 points, everything else is located. So okay, I should have thought about this. Some of these hotels and hospitals, they're all over the California. So let me get back to this. So Does it still have the definition query in there? Yes, it does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the file that I just created, and I will say select by location within this bigger file, and I'm going to say select features from this layer based off of my Monterey County here. So US County Monterey, intersect the source layer. No, I would say are within, completely contain the source layer feature. Okay. Okay, and hit apply. Okay, so now it selects the hotels and hospitals that are within the Monterey County. Now I'm going to export it again and overwrite the file that I just created, and I can overwrite it because I have already removed it from the table of contents. So hotels and hospitals, yes, okay, yes. So then I'm going to click remove. So now you see all the hotels and restaurants, they're in there. Okay, so going to take a pause, and now you have the candidate location, let's say origins, and the hotels and hospitals as destination. The next thing is use various applications of location allocation service area as given to you in the network analyst. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.